Hi, welcome back. So, what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn how to read a paragraph. Okay, so far we've learned the parts of the paragraph, and now we are going to move on to reading a paragraph. Okay, and then there are a few questions, and we are going to try answering them. Okay, so this is my paragraph. Okay, and look at the paragraph very carefully. It is showing me fruits, it is showing me scale, and there's the title. What is the title, kids, for this paragraph? Yes, if you said the title is Kids' Favorite Fruit, that's absolutely correct. The title for this paragraph is Kids' Favorite Fruits. Okay? And look at the horizontal line. It is showing me fruits. How many fruits are there? That's absolutely correct. There are only four fruits: orange, banana, pear, and apple. Okay? And look at this vertical line. It is showing me my scale. And what is my scale? It is keep counting in. Is it two? Is it three? No, that's one. It is keep counting in one. Yeah. So now let's read the question. The first question: how many kids liked apples? How many kids liked apples? Now, what are we going to do is you can use your pointing finger if you want. Okay, I'm going to use this hand over here. Okay, can you see my apples over here? Is this apple? Is this apple? No, my apples are over here. This red rectangular bar is showing me my apples. Okay, so this is my apple, or the rectangular bar for the apple. I'm going to take my pointing finger and I'm going to drag till the vertical this horizontal line. Okay, and I'm going to see where it stops. It stops at the number 4. Yeah, that means there are 4 kids who like apples. Now the next question: which fruit did the most kids like? Which fruit did the most kids like? Which fruit do you think the most kids like? Over here, if you see the tallest rectangular bar, which is the tallest rectangular bar? Is it the banana? Is it the apple? Or is it this? Yeah, it is tallest, right? So this is the tallest rectangular bar. And what is it? What's the color? It is orange color, and the fruit is also orange. So the fruit which is liked by most of the kids is orange. Am I going to write a number over here? I mean, which shows this? No, I'm going to write the word orange. Okay. So the fruit liked by the most kids is orange. Which fruit did the kids like the least? Which fruits did the kids like the least? Now look at the shortest one. The shortest one over here is it pear? No, it is banana, right? And the what's the answer for this? So the banana is the least favorite of all, okay, for the kids. Then the last question: how many kids like bananas? How many kids like bananas, class? So what are we going to do? We are going to do exactly the same. I'm going to take my pointing finger and it is ending over here, right? So I'm going to take it and drag it and stop. It stops at 2. So there are only 2 kids who like bananas, okay? So yes, that's just it. This is your paragraph and these are few questions. You are exactly going to get something like this, okay? And you have to read the questions, look at the paragraph and answer the questions, yeah? I hope you all had fun. I hope we learned something new. And so let's do something, okay? So now what we are going to do is I've assigned an education task for you all. So complete that task, okay? And have a safe and healthy week ahead. Bye.